Hello students, welcome to VVPSE Learning Science class. We have discussed previous turn. In the previous turn, that is the chapter 8 wind, storm and cyclone, and under this chapter we have already discussed that properties of air, that is air exert pressure. Second, that is the high speed wind are accompanied by reduced air pressure. For this, we have to discuss over the three activity 8.2, 8.3 and 8.4. And at 8.2 activity is that crumple a small piece of paper of the ball size and hold the empty bottle on the side of the piece of the paper ball and just blow the air to forcibly ball to force into the bottle. Try this activity with the bottles of different size. Next activity, that is activity 8.3, that is the blow the balloons. Take a balloon and half fill with two balloons and half fill with water and inflate the balloons and tie with a string and be careful, the two balloons are 8 to 10 centimeter apart from each other. Blow up both the balloons and each one to a string and hang the balloons 8 to 10 centimeter apart on a cycle spoke or a stick. And what did you expect? Now another activity we can discuss over here, that is activity 8.4. Can you blow the lift? In this activity, hold a strip of paper about 20 centimeter long and 3 centimeter between your thumb and the forefinger and now blow the paper. Let us try to understand the observations in activities 8.2, 8.3 and 8.4. Where the observation along this could you thought, do you get the feeling that the increased wind speed is accompanied by the reduced air pressure? Yes, it is. Yes. And when we blow into the mouth of the bottle as in the activity 8.2, this decreases the pressure there and the air pressure inside the bottle is higher than near the mouth and air inside the bottle pushes the ball out. In activity 8.3, you saw that when you blow between the balloons, they moved towards each other. That is, the balloons were somehow reduced. The pressure of the air between the balloons are somehow reduced, and pressure of the outside the balloons would then push them inwards towards each other. In activity 8.4, you saw that when you blow over the paper strip, it went upwards. Again, this could happen. Blowing over the paper reduce the air pressure above the strip. These observations suggest that increased wind speed is indeed accompanied by a reduced air pressure. And you all know if the roofs were weak, they could be lifted and blown away. And you already know that when air is moves, it is called wind, and air moves from the region where the pressure is high to region where the pressure is low. The greater is the difference is the pressure, the faster the air moves. But how are the pressure differences created in the nature? Is the difference in the temperature involved? Yes, it is the involvement of temperature. And as the temperature involved, we have discussed the another property of air, that is air expand on heating. For this property, explaining this property, we have discussed over here activity 8.5. In this activity, take a boiling tube, stretch the balloon tightly over the neck of the tube. You can use a tape to make too tight. Pour some hot water in a beaker. Insert the boiling tube with the balloon in the hot water. Observe for 2-3 minutes for any change in the shape of the balloon and take the tube out. It cools down at the room temperature and take some. In third beaker, take some ice cool water and then place the tube with the balloons in the cold water for 2 to 3 minutes. Observe the change in the shape of the balloon. What makes the balloon inflated when the boiling tube is placed in a hot water? It is the temperature. Why is the same balloon deflated when the tube is kept in cold water? Can we infer from the first observation that air expand on the heating? Yes, we can infer that air also expand on the heating. So we can discuss activity 8.6 again. Here we have taken two paper bags, empty paper bags of the same size. Hang these two bags in the inverted position on the two ends of the metal or wooden stick and tie a piece of thread in the middle of the stick. Hold the stick by a thread as in the balance and put a burning candle blue one of the bags. Why the balance of the bag disturbed? Because it is important to remember that on heating the air expands and occupies more space. When something occupies more space, it becomes lighter. The warmer air is therefore lighter than the cold air. All these activities give you the properties of the air, that is the air expand on heating. Okay, thank you.